The Admiralty Court here has granted the Malaysian government and 3 other stakeholders to sell the super yacht Equanimity. Justice Commissioner Datuk Khadijah Idris allowed the application for a valuation and sale order submitted by the government, One Malaysia Development Berhad, and 2 subsidiaries, Global Investment Limited as well as Energy Holdings Limited, according to Order 29 of Rules 4 of the Court Rules 2012. Khadijah allowed the application after proceedings in chambers with relevant parties. All 4 plaintiffs asked to evaluate the asset and sell it immediately during court proceedings. Through application filed on August 6, they named the owner of the ship as Equanimity Cayman Limited, addressed in the United Kingdom as the first and second defendant.